Welcome to this UO Alumni Association member portal tutorial video. In this video, I will show how you can add a member to your household membership. To begin, you'll want to make sure that you are logged into the new member portal. You can do this by visiting uoaa.uoalumni.com/login. You'll be able to use the email that you set up during membership or that you previously had associated with an account with the UOAA and the password that you have created. Once you are logged in and you see your member compass, if you have a household membership, you'll see that you have an unassigned seat. From here, click Assign Seat, click Add Person, and include your partner or spouse's information. And you can skip most of the extra profile information to save you some time. Your household member can always come back and update this on their own. Once you've filled out the required information, hit Save. Once you've added your partner or spouse to your household account, you'll want to click Assign Seat. This will now give your partner or spouse the ability to come to our member portal and claim their account. If you'd like to give management access to your account to your partner or spouse, you can click the Give Management Access, and then your partner or spouse can also help manage your membership. Some quick things to note about our member dashboard. You'll notice on parts of your member dashboard, you may see company instead of household. That is completely normal. If you do need to make changes to your household name, please feel free to contact the association office at alumni@uoregon.edu. We hope this was helpful. Thank you for being members, and go Ducks!